Hi everybody, my name is Toffee, and I'm new, as you can see. I am the cute caramel pup, and I'm in my pajamas. I'm in my sleeping bag. Mom just helps me get it off. 1 minute. Come here. Oh, Okay, this is my pajamas now. Can you pull it down? Yeah. It's got here button. And then if you look on my sleeping bag right here, it's got slumber party friends. Mom, could you just lift it up? Whoa. Let me just sit up properly. There we go. Mom, could you hold it up properly? So it says Slumber Party Friends. And then underneath, in it, it's got, let me just zoom out your view. There you go. Really pretty. 1 second, let me just get Mom to, I don't know what that is. It just randomly came up there and it's sticky. Don't worry, we can wash it off. So, yeah. So, yeah. I am Toffee, and I'm going to be doing loads of more videos soon with Coco and Lola. Goodbye.